Hey there, friends and fellow crafters, it's LeeAnn, and I am here today with a video for Imagine Crafts using a gel press and the Kaleidacolor ink pad in baby powder. I just love the rainbow blend that this gives, and we are going to make 4 cards today using this same ink pad but for different techniques. So first one here, I'm just inking up the brayer, rolling it onto the jelly plate, and then taking my chrome coat paper, glossy side down, and rubbing it to transfer that ink straight to the glossy side of my chrome coat paper. Peel that up and you get a nice color blend there. So now I'm taking the ink that's left on the brayer and putting my paper down, and this was totally by accident. I did glossy side up with the paper side down, and so pulled that, and there is that pull. And then I'm taking the ink that is still left on my brayer and rolling it all over the jelly plate, so then I've got ink going in all different directions. I'm going back with the glossy side down, and then I'm going to pull this print, and I really enjoy doing this. I used to have a gel press, and I didn't use it, and I had it sitting here for 5 years and gave it away. And then a few months ago, I've seen people using them again, got another one, and now I love it. So now I am, as you can see, I am going straight ink to brayer straight to the glossy side of the chrome coat paper. I am sorry for that glare that you have from my my light, but not much I could do about that in order for me to be able to see while I'm making this video. So I do keep going over so that I can get a nice blend for my colors there. And now I put my ink away. So now I'm going to bring in my Misty, and I am going to start the stamping. For the stamp set that I'm using today, it is called Forever Flowers. It is a card kit that was released by Gina back in April, and I just knew that I was going to use it for this project. I don't usually make repeat cards, and so by doing 4 different backgrounds, I felt like I wasn't doing a repeat. Even though I was using the same inks, basically the same technique, it is all a little bit different. And you will see when my cards are finished that they turned out different as well. So I am using VersaFine Clair and Nocturne to stamp this floral image design to all 4 of these card panels. And then you will see when while I'm doing this video, I do stamp the greeting, which is birthday greetings. I do stamp it with Paradise VersaFine Clair, which is a very pretty blue color. However, in the final photo, you will see that I did change it up a little bit, and I did use a die with a shadow for 2 of the cards that says birthday, and then the greetings for, let's see, for 2 of them I did stamp and die cut little flags and stamped the greetings on that, just because the glossy paper tends to not take very well to the pigment ink, and so in my haste it messed up, it smeared. But that's okay. I did not waste the cards. I was able to actually use my Stays-On ink and wipe it off, and then put the little banner right over it. And amazing thing that Stays-On ink remover. That's what I use, the ink remover. So here I am stamping and trying to make sure that everything fits. And I did not want to have to keep changing ink colors. That's why I went with the blue for all. And I have to say, the card that I'm stamping right now, you can barely see the colors on the background. But I think this is my second favorite color card that I did. Anyway, so in the box below, everything will be linked for the supplies that I use. And leave me a message. Let me know which card of the 4 is your favorite. I would love to hear it. So I do try to keep my videos short so that I know that your time is valuable and you don't want to sit around and watch a 35, 40-minute video. This video was actually 13 minutes of real time, and then I just sped it up to double time. So it is just under 7 minutes, and I hope you've enjoyed and got some ideas. Again, I would love to see what you did.